How to clean black mold from bathroom tile. Your first step and the most important step is protecting yourself. So before you start cleaning, protect yourself from any of the mold spores by getting a hold of gloves, mask, and open your windows for ventilation. Alright guys, so the next step now would be preparing your solution. So in order to do that, all you need to do is just simply use a mold cleaner, that is diluted bleach solution or vinegar for natural cleaning. So you're going to need to get bleach and water as well as vinegar for a natural solution, but never mix those chemicals. All right, so now moving on, the next thing is now applying your solution to the affected areas. So spray the solution directly onto the mold and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. And then you can simply go in with a scrub brush to remove the mold from the tiles and grout lines. So make sure to use your brush to clear out those uh, nasty molds. And now you could focus on the grout lines, the corners, and the edges. And once you're done there, you could now simply rinse and wipe by rinsing the area with clean water and wiping it dry. And to prevent the mold from coming back, just make sure to keep your bathroom well ventilated and, you know, dry. All right, guys.